I think today was great. I think it was a really great opportunity for you guys to have us down here. And I think one of the things that you guys do so well and have always been doing for the past few years is really just being on the forefront and on the cutting edge of trying. I think, did we find the answer today? No, of course not. I don't think anyone knows the true answer. I think the opportunity that you guys are taking a stab, trying to find the answer, is really the great start that we need in our industry. There's so many pieces. The fragmentation is so big right now and so diverted that we need to find ways to kind of start. So the opportunity for you guys to make that first step gives us a little bit more of a tool, a resource to bring to the clients. We have so much kind of going on our side right now. So have a partner like you guys who are taking that first step and allowing us to kind of start the conversations and start the process is really valuable for us. For me, it's the first step for us in a process. Being able to, the brands that I work on are very traditional TV-based brands where we're spending a lot of money in TV. So I think we know the concept of adding a new media channel into our mix is going to add the reach to our plan, but I think having the ability to kind of break it out between the different channels, the different screens, is an essential piece for us, and not just looking at display, understanding how OTT is doing, how mobile, how our tablets are really driving those pieces, and is an essential first step for us. And I think it's more importantly for the clients to see the efforts that the agencies and our partners are trying to make, where it's just getting them smarter and being able to kind of justify that transition that we're making a little bit more.
Do you think that you'll use the reach calculator as kind of a directional tool?
Yeah, I definitely think we'll have some fun with it. I think, again, like I said, there's a lot of tools that we're tapping into. Not all of them are really telling the full story, but being able to kind of show that perspective to the client. I think I won't be able to really take the numbers, I think, and truly deliver them as our true brand reach, but being able to show that demonstration of if we did make some of these moves. A few of our brands have made the move into a digital, in the digital space a lot more, but a few of our more traditional brands are a little bit slower in making the move. I think having that kind of resource to be able to even just play with it with the client, even when someone's sitting at our desk, being able to show them those resources, I think it's going to be something I'm really excited about trying.